Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another colorful look for black theme outfit. So I get to do whatever and be comfortable with doing whatever and know that I'm just wearing black. The thing is, what black outfit am I going to wear? Because I already had two epic fail dresses that I ordered, and I don't know what they were trying to do with those. So I'm hoping I'll find me an item today. Most likely I'll probably go in my closet and get something that I already had owned, like nothing new. So yeah, but I have a look in mind that I want to recreate. This is one of my old looks. I'll probably insert a clip here. I never published this video on YouTube. It's on YouTube, but it's private, and that's because I didn't like the blending that I did. I like the color story that I was trying to go for, but I wasn't quite ready for that look to be out there. So I'm gonna recreate it. And the palette that I use, I don't even think I have that palette anymore. I couldn't find it. It was an old school Coastal Scent 88 matte palette, and I was like, I'm not even going to try to hunt for it. So to get something that's similar to the colors that I was using, which is like a shimmery mint green, a dark green, and a little bit of yellow shades, I decided I want to go in with this palette. This is my beautiful, what's this called? The Wilderness palette by Beauty Bay. So I'm going to be using her today. So y'all know the routine. Let's zoom on in, boo. Alright, so the first shade I want to dip in, let's go in for Forest. This color right here. I'm going to take that in my crease. And this is going to be a non-cut crease look. So it's really, the key is really to make every shade that I put on my lid crease area blend my butt off. Alright, so now we're going to blend out the shade, and I'm going to go in with the shade Mint, which is a nice matte minty color. Go right above Miss Forest and see what Miss Mint can do. It's probably not going to be a big like blending between the color because Mint is such a light color, but I think if I keep adding this shade on, I'd be able to give some sort of like blending going on. Alright, I'm gonna go in. I kind of want to add a yellow, and this shade right here, it gives me a little bit of yellow vibe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see what this can do. This color is absolutely beautiful. Wow, caught me by surprise. So it's not really a yellow shade, but I think against the other shade ranges that I did put on and how I'm using it as a blending eyeshadow and not a patting one, it is giving me a little bit of like a mustard yellow. I'm just going to go back in and just blend all those same shades that I applied. I'm going backwards, going in with that mint green first, just to help it blend in more with that yellow. And then I'm going to go in with Forest, just to make it a little bit more deeper and richer. Now for my lid, I'm going to go in and apply a little bit more of a better base because I know some of the shade that I went in my crease with did fall on my lid. So I'm just going to go in with my eye icing by Glamlight. I know you guys can barely see it, but this is what it looks like. It's in the shade Caramel. And I'm just going to take very little of that, like I got a dot. And I'm just going to apply that on to my lid area. And then for the actual lid color, I think I'm going to go in with Miss Breeze. This Breeze color is absolutely beautiful. see what this is giving. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I even have to apply this wet. I mean, it'll probably go on a lot quicker and more smoother, but I am liking what I am seeing right now, so this is beautiful. And I am making sure that I do apply a little bit of the shade in my crease. It's gonna make it look a little bit more easier when it comes to the blending. I want to deepen my crease just a tad bit more, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of ivy. Let's see what this is going to be giving. So I'm going to start off in the outer part just to deepen it up. And then I'm going to go all the way around like I did with Forest, and just make sure that these two shades are blended nicely together. So I'm kind of like tapping the eyeshadow on. I'm not even like blending it, because I really want more of that payoff of the pigmentation on my crease. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay. Do one more quick little blend. Oh, that's gonna be the key of this look. What did I do with the yellow one? Alright, so I decided I'm gonna go in with the first green, which is the Forest one. I'm gonna go in with that matte. So I was gonna do the shimmer, but I don't know if I want shimmer on my bottom lash line. So I'm just gonna stick with what I am comfortable with, which is matte. So I'm just gonna place that right underneath my lower lash line. And I do have a black pencil inside my waterline as well. And then for my inner, I think I applied a yellow. It looks like a very shimmery yellow. I don't know where any of my shimmery yellows are at. So I'm just gonna make my own. I'm gonna take a little bit of my, I always have a brain fart when I put this on. My glitter glue. Just gonna pop that right in my inner tear duct. I'm gonna go in with that palette and grab that mustard yellow color. I'm just gonna pop it right in my inner. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of sparkle. So this is an actual yellow glitter. Look at that, so pretty. So I'm going back in with that glitter glue. I'm gonna pop just very little of it. I don't want it to take that yellow base off. And then very lightly I'm gonna go in. Now we're going to move on to blush wise. I'm going in with my Hank & Henry palette, and I want to do, you know what, I am going to do this palette, but I want to do my lips first. So I'm going to skip that really quick. I cannot find anything on my desk. I need to clean this desk, but I'm going in with a nude lip. So I'm going in with my NYX pencil. And I'm going in with a new lipstick color by Beauty Bakerie. Well, it's new to me because it's my first time using it. And this one is called Salted Caramel Mocha. And it's a really pretty like nude shade. It's not like I need any more nude lipstick, but it's just something that I keep buying. So I'm going to put this on my lips. And before this completely dries up, I'm gonna blend it out with my pencil. And then I'm gonna go in with Candy Coated. I was gonna go in with, what is this one? Beach Babe, but I feel like it's going to make my lips look a little too nude, and I do want that pop of this new shade to still shine through. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with my that Hank and Henry blush palette, now that I see what the lips is giving for the eyes. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And then for my highlighter, because I feel like I need a little bit of glow going on, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I think this one is called Afternoon Snack. This is the Fenty Duo highlighter. Alright, my love, so this completes the look. I really love how this look. And with this pop of black, it's like really like grabbing all the attention, and the focus is on the face. And that's what I like. This is what I really like about the black thing, because the whole spotlight is going to be the classic outfit, wearing a black on black, and then your pop of makeup. It just draws so much attention to your makeup. Much going on with the outfit, so it's like, yeah, look, focus here, focus on here, okay? But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed everything. Really quick for the dress, she's really cute, simple. I'm glad I was able to fit it. She's a little snuggles, pulling her down around this belly, but I think it's cute. And I did have to wear like a sports bra, a black one, because it's showing a little bit too much cleavage, because I think my boobs are kind of sort of not able to fit in here. But we're going to finesse this and make it work. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.